Here we are changing the barrel on an Acura 855 multi-channel.
Unscrewing the lower assembly, unclipping the plunger, removing the casing from the lower assembly, this gives access to all channels. Unclipping, then removing the barrel and the plunger, as well as the spring. Regrease slightly the plunger, add the spring, inserting the plunger into the lower assembly, slide the barrel into the plunger, close the clip, add the casing, screw in the lower assembly, and do not forget to clip the plunger.